This is how we use calculations backed by science and thoughtfulness with our service to help our clients reach their fitness goal. Once you share your physical information on our website, our calculations kick in. We crunch the numbers to determine your ideal daily protein, carbs, and fat intake, tailoring them to your unique goals. Your meals are then expertly portioned based on these personalized macros. But that's not all. Once you place your first order, we'll guide you on the optimal times to enjoy them for maximum effectiveness. Recognizing that diet plays a crucial role, 80% to be exact, in weight loss and muscle gain, we've crafted a holistic approach by designing you a personalized training plan that syncs seamlessly with your macro-tailored meals, ensuring your nutrition and workouts work hand-in-hand to sculpt your dream body. And thanks to our cutting-edge vacuum sealing technology, your Sunday-delivered meals will remain fresh until your next order. By removing the oxygen out of the package just before sealing, we prevent oxidation, preserving the taste and texture for up to 7 days. No leftovers here, just freshly cooked flavor every time. We get it. Commitment to a new lifestyle requires enjoyment. So we make a diverse 15-item menu that changes weekly, keeping your taste buds excited and eliminating any potential flavor fatigue. Our service has been meticulously designed with you in mind, accommodating your current lifestyles and aspirations. No contracts, there are no cancellation fees, no hidden charges. The only party that commits is us, because we want you to win. Try our service today at half off your first order. That's $5.90 per meal. Your search for the perfect solution ends here. It's time to give us a shot and experience the difference.